We're gonna get any more carts, Bill? Yeah, I think it's time to start. Look what I got.
This is a beautiful 1976 Hartman Bluestreak. I always love these carts. I think they're extremely cool looking. This one's set up with dual Yamahas on it.
We're starting right now.
But it's an absolutely stunning car.
I just talked to him about you.
Oh, the little guy's got them.
Really great example of a restoration job.
The little guy's got them. He's walking around with them.